Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, like leather upholstery, a tachometer, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.